Hello students, today let's continue practice at 8.2 question number 4 textbook page number 112. The question is if cos theta is equal to 15 upon 17 then find sin theta. We will use this equation, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. First step we have to write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then next step sin square theta plus, instead of cos square theta we have to write 15 upon 17 whole square is equal to 1. Then sin square theta plus 225 upon 289 is equal to 1. Why it is 225? Because it is 15 square. Then 289 is 17 square. Therefore, next step sin square theta is equal to 225 upon 289 will go to the right side and it becomes 1 minus 225 upon 289. Next step sin square theta is equal to 289 minus 225 upon 289. This step I have solved in almost all the questions before, so this I am not explaining here in detail. Directly I'll move to the next step, which is equal to 64 upon 289. How it came 64? 289 minus 225 is equal to 64. So 64 upon 289. Next step, sin theta is equal to root of 64 upon 289, which is equal to, ignore the next step, that is root of 8 upon 17 whole square. Ignore that step. Come to down, that is which is equal to 8 upon 17. That is root of 64 is 8 and root of 289 is 17. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 8 upon 17. Next, directly we will go to problem set 8. So, first question is a multiple choice question. So, you can do it by yourself. Now, coming to page number 113, that is question number 2. In right angle triangle, triangle TSU, TS is equal to 5, angle S is equal to 90, SU is equal to 12. Then find sin T, cos T, tan T, as well as sin U, cos U and tan U. So you have to find all these 6 values using this right angle triangle, in which angle S is given as 90 degree and one side is given as TS and the second side is given as SU. So here we will use Pythagoras theorem in order to find the hypotenuse TU. Therefore, in right angle triangle, triangle TSU, TU square is equal to SU square plus TS square, which is Pythagoras theorem. Then TU square is equal to SU is 12, so 12 square plus TS is 5, therefore 5 square. 12 square plus 5 square is equal to 144 plus 25. 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. Next step, TU square is equal to root of 169, which is equal to 13. So you can write TU is equal to 13. Now you have to find sine ratio, cos ratio and tan ratio, that is sin t, cos t and tan t. This you can do by yourself, but still I am giving these answers. So you just have to see the figure and find the sine ratio, cos ratio and tan ratio. I am directly giving the answer. Sin t is equal to SU upon TU, that is opposite side of angle T upon hypotenuse, which is equal to 12 upon 13. Then we have cos t is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse, which is equal to TS upon TU, which is equal to 5 upon 13. Then we have tan t, which is equal to opposite side of angle T upon adjacent side of angle T, which is equal to SU upon TS, which is equal to 12 upon 5. Also, sin u, cos u and tan u also we will find. Sin u is equal to TS upon TU, which is equal to 5 upon 13. Cos u is equal to SU upon TU, which is equal to 12 upon 13. Tan u is equal to TS upon SU, which is equal to 5 upon 12. Question number 3 is also same as that of question number 2. So, I am not going to explain this. Just you have to copy the answers from here and understand by yourself. If any doubts, you can ask me later. So, here you have in right angle triangle, triangle YXZ, angle X is equal to 90 degree, XZ is 8, YZ is 17. Therefore, you have to find sine ratios of angle Y and sine, cos, tan ratios of angle Y and sine, cos, tan ratios of angle Z. Using Pythagoras theorem, first you will find the length of xy, then you will find all the ratios.